Assuming you're searching for Chilliz cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Chilliz CHZ will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Chilliz CHZ and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chilliz is $0.173 and CHZ is presently positioned #81 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Chilliz is 888,289,967 with a market cap of $1,042,553,356. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chilliz's cost has shown a decent increment of 143% as of now. Chilliz is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The CHZ is down to nearly 2% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future Chilliz cost expectations estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized investigation on the past value information of Chilliz. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the CHZ coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Chilliz market cap, Chilliz volume, and not many more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Chilliz value expectation outline. The typical extended cost for Chilliz in 2025 is supposed to be $2,385, with likely difference somewhere in the range of $2,324 and $2,624. The cost of one CHZ would reach as high as $0.92 by 2030. Chilliz is as of now valued at $0.1073 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Chilliz could outperform the $152.40 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy. The negative cost expectation for Chilliz CHZ in 2040 is $91.81, with a possible high of $112.54. Chilliz value expectation 2024. Chilliz cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.8476 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.680 with the typical figure cost of $1.534. Chilliz value expectation 2025. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1.324. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $60.24 with the typical exchanging cost of $385. CHZ value gauge for 2026. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least worth of $35.77 in 2026. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $4.91 with a typical exchanging cost of $2673 all through 2026. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2027. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $5,400 in 2027. The Chilliz cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.6349 with the typical exchanging cost of $547 all through 2027. Chilliz value forecast 2028. The cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at least degree of $17760 in 2028. The Chilliz cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.992 at 17 with the typical cost of $0.7982 all through 2028. Chilliz value forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2029 the cost of Chilliz is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $109. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.34 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.13. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2030. Chilliz cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $158 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.92 with the typical figure cost of $0.64. Chilliz value conjecture 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2031 the cost of Chilliz is determined to be at around a base worth of $29. The Chilliz value worth can arrive at a limit of $271 with a typical exchanging worth of $235 in USD. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2032. The cost of one Chilliz is supposed to reach at least degree of $3.20 in 2032. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.99 with the typical cost of $3.19 all through 2032. Chilliz value forecast 2033. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at least value worth of $4.86. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.54 with the typical worth of $5.02. Chilliz value gauge 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with useful applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Chilliz cost figure for 2040, CHZ is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $112.54 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of CHZ coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $91.81, while the typical cost of the Chilliz for 2040 is projected to be $97.78. CHZ value conjecture for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach $152.40, with a typical exchanging worth of $139.85. The base cost is projected to be around $132.77. Chilliz value conjecture facts. What amount does Chilliz cost in 2025? The cost of Chilliz will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture. In the year 2025, Chilliz will be worth about a normal cost of $2385. What is the Chilliz cost today? Today, Chilliz CHZ is exchanging at $1.2173 with the market cap of $1.042, 553, 356,000. How high might Chilliz at any point go? The typical cost of Chilliz CHZ could go to $0.25 and 34 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $0.7982 mark. Is Chilliz CHZ a wise venture? Chilliz's worth is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the most extreme exploration conceivable. What is the fate of Chilliz? The eventual fate of Chilliz is exceptionally subject to the general